Hey everyone, it's Tina with Studio T Hair Salon, and this is the first time I'm doing a video where I'm actually looking in the mirror so I can show you placement. So when you're placing your topper, you never want to line up the topper part exactly with my part, because if I did that, if I just did this like this, I'm going to see the difference, right? I'm going to see the density difference. That's why I'm wearing hair. So what I want to do is either use hair on this side, which I have a nice little colic, so I usually use that, or hair on this side. So I normally take my topper and place it a little bit off-centered to my part where that line is, but close up, let it fall, and then I want to see, can I fluff enough hair up in front? So when anyone looks in at me, I want them to be able to see my hairline, and I'm happy with that. So then I just go to the back and the sides. So people are looking at my natural hairline. So if you've got questions about toppers, we'd love to be able to help. Our toppers are human hair and they can be cut, curled, and blow dried.